the search that we conducted at Chanja at accused's home, where we made a recovery of 2 US passports. When I came back to the station, I wrote a request letter for the signature of my supervisor, and this letter was addressed to the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Foreign Affairs.
We are going to go by penny's speed as usual. You wrote a request letter for the signature. Proceed.
Yes, for the signature of my supervisor.
The name?
Detective Senior Commissioner of Police, Chelimo Biata, the Deputy Director, CID. The letter in particular was requesting...
Addressed to?
It was addressed to the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Foreign Affairs,
yes,
requesting for their assistance to liaise with the American Embassy to verify the authenticity of the 2 passports and any other relevant information that they would avail us.
Interpretation, please. Gamba okuva mu kunoonyereza kwe bakola n'okwaza mu maka gavunaanibwa Chanja, bazuula passport 2 era n'awandiika ebbaluwa ng'agiwandiikira mukama we okusaba olukusa mu bbaluwa eyo asobole okuyambibwako basobole okuba nga banoonyereza ku Embassy ya America ku passport zino 2 ezaali zizuuliddwa.
I delivered the letter to my supervisor. She signed it in my presence. After I delivered the letter to the Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Interpretation, please.
Gamba oluvannyuma ebbaluwa yawandiikibwa era neteekebwako omukono supervisor we era nga waali mu maaso ge era n'agitwala ku Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Yes. Proceed.
The letter was received.
Proceed.
The letter was received, and the officials at the Ministry of Internal Affairs linked me up with our police attaches at the American Embassy, whom I kept in touch with. The embassy prepared the response. I was notified of it, and I went to the embassy and I picked the response. That response was filed in the case file.
Ebbaluwa yafunibwa era ne bankwasaganya n'abasirikale abalala abakola ku Embassy ya America era ebbaluwa neemalirizibwa neewandiikibwa ne ŋŋendayo ne ngifuna era ne ngitwala era kweri ku fayiro.
How can you identify the letter that you say you authored for the signature of your supervisor and the response you got from the embassy?
My Lord, I can identify that letter by the signature of my supervisor.
Ebbaluwa eyo nsobola kugimanyira ku signature oba ku mukono gwa supervisor wange.
About the response you got from the embassy?
Can you identify it only by the signature?
Only
Anything else?
Signature? Okay. Most obliged, my lord.
Signature, the date when I drafted it,
When?
it was on 9th of April 2026.
Anything else?
The contents in it.
Ebbaluwa eyo bwenjiraba nsobola kugimanyira ku mukono gwa mukama wange ennaku z'omwezi lwe yabagibwa nga 9 omwezi ogwokuna omwaka 2026 n'ebigirimu.
About the response that you got from the embassy?
My Lord, the response from the embassy was that the 2 passports were genuinely issued to Christopher Okello Onyum. The report,
What do you mean by genuinely issued? Are you talking about authentic?
yes, they are genuinely
Like-
issued
Okay.
to him.
Ebyokuddamu ebyali mu bbaluwa gye najja ku embassy byali biraga nti ku passport zino 2 zitwazuula zaweebwa Okello Christopher mu butuufu.
The
Yes.
report also indicated that the embassy had any known criminal record or any criminal charge against Okello while in the US.
Era mu lipoota eyo emu mwali kiragiddwa bulungi nti embassy ya America Okello tebamulinaako musango gwonna gwali gumanyiddwa nti yaguzza mu America oba gwali muvunaaniddwa.
A report further indicated that they had any knowledge about his mental health.
Era report yagenda maaso n'erambika nti yo nga embassy yali terina kyemanyi ku bikwata oba ku ntegeera ye.
Look at the documents, confirm to court what they are.
My Lord, before me is a copy of a letter that I drafted for the signature of my supervisor, dated 9th April 2026.
Dated
9th April 2026.
Ekyenkutte ye kopi y'ebbaluwa gye nabaga okutwalira mukama wange okuteekako omukono gwe ng'era yabagibwa ng'ennaku z'omwezi 9 omwezi ogwokuna omwaka 2026.
Addressed to the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Ng'era yali ewandiikibwa ng'egenda ewa Permanent Secretary,
Does it contain
Ministry of
the request that you have told court?
Yes, my Lord.
What was the question?
My lord,
Sorry, I missed it.
yes, the request is whether the letter contains the requests that he has told court. About the next document.
The next document is a response from the Embassy of United States of America, dated 13th of April 2026. It's addressed to the Inspector General of Police.
Does it bear reference?
Yes, my lord. The reference is a response to a request for information to support investigations via GAVA CRB 026/2026.
Investigation via GAVA
CRB 026/2026.
Does it contain the response that you have told court?
Yes, my lord.
Ekiwandiiko kino ekyokubiri yenziramu okuva ku embassy eya USA oba eggwanga erya America ng'eriko ennaku z'omwezi 13 omwezi ogwokuna 2026 ng'era bagiwandiikira inspector General wa poliisi ng'era eddamu nti kwe kuddamu okusaba okuyambibwako mu kunoonyereza ku musango ogwa GAVA CRB 026 Kasaze 2026.
My Lord, I pray to tender.
Who is the author of the second letter?
Who signed off the second letter?
The person who signed the second letter is John W.
Yes,
My lord, allow me spell this name.
please.
Please go ahead.
ALSUP.
In what capacity?
The capacity of supervisory special agent, overseas criminal investigator,
Supervisory special agent.
agent in brackets SA
In bracket.
SA
Yes.
overseas.
Is that close bracket?
Yeah.
When do we close the bracket after A?
Please.
SSA?
SSA, you close the brackets.
Okay.
Then you go to the next. The next is overseas criminal investigator in brackets OCI. Close the brackets. Next is a regional security officer in brackets RSO, close the bracket. And consular affairs in brackets CA, US Embassy, Uganda.
Lord, I pray to tender the letters as exhibits.